You may have stopped using night lights when you were a kid, but if you are going on a cruise, I highly suggest you take one with you. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so our cruise countdown with cruise tips continues, and today is day 24. 24 more days till we go on our next cruise, and today we're gonna talk about night lights. So cruise cabins can get very dark at night, particularly if you have an inside cabin that has no window. That room is dark anytime the lights are not on in the room. So this is where a nightlight can come in very handy. And I have one that I just got from Amazon yesterday that I'm going to show you. But before I do, I want to let you know I have no affiliation with this product. I have no affiliation with Amazon. This is just a product I found that I think would work really well for cruisers. And that's why I want to show it to you. I bought one for myself. And I think it meets all of the basic cruise requirements that you're going to need. All right, so here it is right here. This is my cruise nightlight. Now this has a couple of important features that I think are really good for a cruise. First, your base is magnetic. So if you don't know, cruise cabin walls are made out of metal. Okay, so because this is magnetic, it will automatically magnetize to the wall. And then you have the nightlight portion which clips onto it, and it does become adjustable, so you can kind of put it however you want it. I keep making the lid fall off. All right, so it is motion activated. So it doesn't have to be on all the time. You don't have to click it on when you walk by. You set it to automatic. Put it somewhere, let's say down the hallway near the bathroom. And whenever you get out of bed, the motion sensor kicks on, the light comes on, and you can see where you are going. I wouldn't recommend pointing it at the bed. Particularly if you move a lot at night, you may set this thing on and off a few times. Now, it does run on 3 AAA batteries, and I think that's important too because plugs inside a cruise cabin are at a premium. There's not plugs everywhere. There's definitely not plugs down the hallway, and you really want to take up one of your precious plugs simply to put in a nightlight. Now, if you like the plug-in kind, of course, you can use whatever makes you happy, but AAA batteries, don't have to worry about it. Doesn't take up any space in your power requirements. You just simply pop off the back. Takes the 3 AAA batteries right in there. The back goes back on. Magnetize it right to the base. And this is a magnet board behind me here. And sticks right to the magnet wall. Set it to auto and you are good to go. As I said, it may seem silly to want a nightlight as an adult, but believe me, when you get up at 3 o'clock in the morning in a strange room, it is pitch black. That nightlight is a much better option than stubbing your toe because I don't know about y'all, but at my age, that really hurts. And I don't feel like doing that. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.